Hi everyone, welcome back to Sky Appliance YouTube channel. If your dishwasher is leaving food behind on your plates and glasses, you've come to the right place. One of the most frustrating things is opening up your dishwasher after a cycle only to find that your dishes are still dirty. So, what could be going wrong? Let's break it down. I've worked on thousands of dishwashers and identified 10 main reasons. In today's video, I'll focus on the first one, plugged spray arms, but I'm creating other videos to show you how to diagnose and fix the remaining reasons. By the time you're watching this, they might already be available. The spray arms are responsible for spraying water all over your dishes. If they're blocked with food debris or mineral deposits, they won't spin properly and your dishes won't get clean. In today's video, I'm working on a Whirlpool dishwasher, but this video applies to any dishwasher. I'm going to start a new cycle, and the first thing I want to check is whether the dishwasher is filling with water properly. The next thing I want to check is whether the circulation pump is running. Now I place the arms in the 6 o'clock position, close the door and press start to see if they move. Well, they didn't move and are still sitting in the 6 o'clock position, so I'll try one more time. I'm going to take the arms out to have a look. I just twisted them off, but for some other makes and models you might need to use a screwdriver. As you can see, most of these holes are clogged. These are the tools I normally use to clear the holes, but you can also use a pick, needle, or small wire to clean them out. After clearing the holes, I rinse the arms underwater to check if it's flowing through the holes. You need to be patient and try a few times, as food or debris might still be inside the arm, causing the holes to clog again. You can't open a spray arm, so you need to keep pouring water and ensure those little holes are clear. I just reinstalled the arms and positioned them in the 6 o'clock position again to perform the same test. The lower arm is spinning, but the upper arm is still in the 6 o'clock position. So I removed the upper arm and cleaned it again. The lower arm is turning and the upper arm is in the 9 o'clock position, so both arms are working fine. This model is a basic one and doesn't have a diverter, so both arms should work at the same time. However, some higher end dishwashers from Whirlpool, Samsung, LG, Bosch or KitchenAid have only one arm working at a time. Here's a video from inside a higher end KitchenAid. It fills with water and then only the upper arm works for a few minutes while the lower arm doesn't move. After that, it switches to the lower arm and the upper arm stops moving. In a Frigidaire dishwasher, the cycle starts with only the lower arm moving. Every few minutes, you'll hear a different sound from the circulation pump. This is when it switches to the upper arm. By the way, each time you open the door or pause the cycle, it switches back to the lower arm. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want more tips and tricks to keep your appliances running smoothly, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.